As you walk through the front door, this is the little hallway. And this is the living area. It's quite spacious. And then here we have our kitchen and dining, a dining nook. The kitchen area. That's looking out into the living room. Then we're gonna head to the master room. This is the backyard, so it's dark outside. You won't see anything. It's the master room, little workspace. It's the master closet. And the bathroom, the shower. Okay, now we're gonna walk to our bedroom 3 and 2. This is a linen closet, second bathroom with a bathtub, bedroom number 2, the closet area, and we're going to walk to bedroom number 3. Same deal here, that's the closet over there. That's it.